Hello everyone, today we'll go over how to use RichCopy 360 Standard Enterprise to schedule a job. Also, we'll point out how to run a job as a service, because it's often used when you're scheduling jobs. First, we'll open up the application, and then we just go to the job that we wish to schedule. In this case, we're going to select the Wasabi job. And then here you could see where it says run manually. This means the job will have to be triggered, kicked off manually to start it manually. You could set it to run once. When you select it to run once, the job is only going to run one time according to the date and time you schedule. Or you could set it to run on schedule. And then you click on Set Schedule. And here you specify which criteria you want. Do I want the job to run daily, once a day at 6 p.m.? I could have it run once a day at 6 p.m. Or I could have it run 6 p.m. starting to run 1 minute at a time. So it just keeps repeating itself on set intervals of 1 minute. I could do 2 minutes all the way up to 23 hours. I could set the job to run weekly. So I could just say run every Sunday at 6 p.m. basically and repeat every minute. I could say run monthly and then it will just run according to that day of month or first Sunday of the, of the month. Or I could set it to run yearly and I could specify the time. So you've got all the different criteria that you can select. You can't couple those though, but you can select the criteria you need. Now in this case, we're going to go ahead and set it to run once daily, every day at between 6 p.m. to 11:59 p.m. And it's going to run every minute. And if the job takes more than 1 minute, it will continue running. And then once it completes, it will repeat itself. It will automatically schedule itself to run a minute later. So you click OK. Now the job is set to run on schedule. Now let's talk about running as a service because that's often coupled with running a job on schedule. The beauty of selecting the job to run as a service is you don't have to have the application open. And if you have a job running as a service and you close the application, it will continue running. And you don't have to be logged into the machine. So once you set these to run as a service and running on schedule, what's going to happen is our job is going to automatically run itself according to schedule in the background, even if you don't not logged into the machine. So you click on Save. Now if you look here, it says the job is set to run 1 minute later from this time. And that's how you set the job to run on schedule. And that's how you set it to run a on service as well. Let us know if you have any questions, and you can always reach out to support@gurusquad.com if you have any more questions or if you'd like to see more videos. Thank you for watching.